Good morning everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to show you another one sheet wonder. This one sheet wonder was created on the same day that I made Mary's, and this is for Lizzy Hill. Lizzy Hill is here on Instagram, or here on YouTube and Instagram. She is Lizzy Hill 12 if you want to follow her. And she makes the most beautiful scrapbooking layouts and amazing happy mail. So I wanted to create these one sheet wonders for my channel, as well as for a challenge that Vivian is running for the month of March. It's to use your favorite papers, so this is another one of my favorite papers. And I also have a challenge over on the Happy Mailers group. If you want to join the Happy Mailers group on Facebook, you're more than welcome to. And the challenge had the tealy turquoise to use that, and I had a mood board that you could take inspiration from. So very similar to last time, it's 2 6 by 12 pieces of paper. But this time the two middle pieces are going together in a different way. Last time they actually went back to back to create the inside pocket, but this time one's going front to back, so it means that the flipbook actually opens into 3. So and I'm just choosing some papers here to create a pocket on the left, which is that pink one, and then this is actually one of the cutter parts from the range, and I'm just drawing around my double-sided tape there to create a curved edge to create like a tuck-in on the right hand side. So you could actually stop here if you wanted with this happy mail, and it would be a really good happy mail because you've got 3 places to tuck things in. You've got the middle pocket there, you've got the left hand pocket and a side tuck in, but I wanted to add another piece of paper to create a pocket, like a flap pocket. So this mail is inspired by Heather Dorm. She sent me a swap. She's part of Vivian's Patreon, and she joined a swap, and so the flat mail she sent me was really cool and looked very similar to this, so I'm just taking her mail and using that as inspiration for this one. So I'm just using some scallop crimpers here, I think they are crimpers. Normally they're zigzag for fabric, but these ones are scallop, so it just creates a nice edge for the internal pocket. But like I said, you don't actually need to do this internal pocket. You could actually just leave the happy mail as simple as I had it. You have the left hand pocket, the middle pocket, and then that side tuck in. So that would be your one sheet wonder, which is pretty cool. So I'm just it took me a while to work out how to put this into the flip book, so I apologize for the amount of working out you can see. So I will close the pocket, or the page up, and then peel the double-sided tape back, and close it again on the other side. It did mean that the pocket stood up quite a lot, so I had to do lots of folding. Here's me, I'm ready to sew around, and you can see me with my little finger telling the video that I'm just about to sew around the edge. So I've sewn all the way around the outside of the mail, and I also I've used my machine to go up the side of the pocket. Now I'm showing you the back here because I thought to myself, oh, I've got another pocket, I didn't realise. So, but you'll see the mistake at the end. So yeah, I'm showing you the back there, thinking to myself, I scored another pocket, but I really didn't. So you'll have to see the end result. So this is it decorated. I took that off camera because I take way too long to decorate. If I was to do that on camera, it would be like a 3-hour long video. So I decorate off camera and then I come back and show you what I've done. So that's that pocket. May all your wishes come true. I've got some little tiny sticker dots in there, some washi, and some stickers from Pick Your Mix. And then these are some cards from the rainbow box that I've got. I really like these cards. They're just really cute messages, and they're quite a solid card, so you could use them as a flip in or a flip out. Then in this one I've got my wax seals. Love how these turned out. Great colours, sort of almost fruit salad, pink and yellow, and the blue and the pink works really well with the male. And then my letter over here on the right hand side. Now you'll see the back pocket. I did turn it over at one point when I filled the front and was trying to think what to put in, but I realised then that it is actually the back of that middle pocket. So I will leave you here. Thank you so much, guys, and I will speak to you in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up and a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you. See you. Bye.